Mazda CX-60 Ace's Moose Test. Will CX-70 be as good? Mazda has been on a roll with its expanded SUV lineup underpinned by a RWD-based Large Product Group platform capable of hosting various powertrain types. While the new Mazda SUVs look promising on paper, KM77.com wanted to know how it would translate on the road via the dreaded Moose Test. The model chosen for the Moose Test was the Mazda CX-60, a midsize crossover intended for the European and Japanese markets and a close relative of the America-exclusive CX-70. The two models essentially share the same components as both use the Large Product Group platform, so the CX-60's Moose Test should give us an idea of how the CX-70 would fare in a similar situation. The model tested was powered by a 3.3-liter inline-six turbo diesel engine with 254 horsepower. The RWD platform is really just a longitudinal mounted engine setup, but in these SUVs, AWD is standard, as is an 8-speed automatic transmission. The crossover was also fitted with 20-inch wheels wrapped around Toyota Corox's sport tires and 235/50 size. The CX-60 had a relatively quick start off the line heading into the cone, where it steered with hardly any stability control to assist. But the gearbox didn't shift as swiftly as would have been ideal, and the testers complained that the vehicle felt heavy to maneuver. The vehicle was running at the website's benchmark speed of 47.8 miles per hour, 77 kilometers per hour, hence the name, in the next part of the test. At this rate, the driver knocked a couple of cones, but he said the handling felt good. Body roll was moderate, while understeer and oversteer were limited. Even after pushing the speed to a test high 48.5 miles per hour, 78 kilometers per hour, the body roll was still tolerable, keeping the driver feel confident steering the wheel. The testers concluded that the Mazda CX-60 handles relatively well despite being heavy. It might not have felt agile during the tests, but the drivability was great. The stability control did not act as much as the vehicle moved between lanes in a fairly fluid fashion. With any luck, the CX-70 will inherit these traits.